Hello everyone, if you're facing this error when you're trying to browse the internet, Gateway Timeout with error code 504, then you have come to the right place because in this video I'm going to show you how easy it is to fix that annoying error on your computer easily. First off, what you're going to do is you're going to open up your start menu, you're going to write here view network connections, you're going to select your internet connection from here, either Ethernet or your WLAN wireless connection. Click on it, click change settings of this connection, go into Internet Protocol version 4, click properties, click use the following DNS server addresses, write the preferred DNS server here 8.8.8.8 and in the alternate DNS you're going to write 8.8.4.4. Click OK here, click OK as well. Disable your network connection after that. Wait for 15 to 20 seconds and then enable your network connection. And once it's connected, you're going to open up your web browser. Now you're going to surf the internet and you'll see that you will not get that error anymore. So there it is guys, that's how easy it was. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like, comment and subscribe to the channel and I'll see you in my next video. Peace.